Stay tuned for the Mr. Alias Action Hour. Today's adventure, the attack of...
No! Not the antenna again! Where am I gonna get a new antenna before my show starts?
I love the sound of a sucker in the morning. A buzz-buzzard super-duper deluxe satellite dish. And now for the coup de grace. Oh, when you're good, you're me. Good day, sir. I am Buzz Buzzard of Buzz's satellite TV service.
Wow!
That's right, sucker. I mean, sir. Our rooftop dish here is powered by, a solar plutonium reactor. Oh, he is good. So it gets 1,138 channels, downloads video games, does your dishes, files your taxes, takes out the trash, and raises your children. All for the low, low price of just $50.
Will it get me the Mr. Alias Action Hour right now?
Oh, indubitably.
Then you got a deal. Hey, what gives?
Loser.
No good buzzard trying to cheat me. Give me back my dough, you.
Oh, I still got the dough. Ah, what the heck's going on here?
That lightning blast rubberized me. Give me back my dough.
Ah, get lost, Woodpecker. 'Cause of you, I now need the cash for a nose job. Let me go. I said let go. Take that, you rubber boyd. Hey, looks like that lightning jolt gave us both superpowers. And mine are gonna make me rich, rich, rich.
Stop, thief! Police!
Time to make like a banana and split. Yeah! This is not my day.
So, you want to play rough, huh? Super Woody, with feathers of fury. And now, mister, there's the matter of my money.
Oh, yeah? Well, there's also the matter of I ain't giving it to you. Freaky feet, do your stuff.
Huh?
So long, bouncing boy.
Get back here!
Faster than a speeding bullet train full of dough. It's Super Buzzard! Coming to rob a town near you.
Super Woody gets his tough in gear! Ew! You owe me $50!
Yeah? Take this for an IOU, Woodpecker.
I'll take whatever you got, bub. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh.
Oh, 2 points.
Didn't anyone ever tell you not to recycle your woodpecker until it's finished? And I'm not finished.
No, wait! Go! Now, Mommy! No, wait! You can have your dough!
Thank you very much. Now I'll buy a new antenna. Brand new and ready to go. Hey, what gives? Oh, man. I lost my superpowers. What are you gonna do? Guess I'll just have to change channels the old-fashioned way. Nah.
We apologize for going off the air due to a strange electrical interference. However, we'll now pick up the Mr. Alias Adventure Hour from the very beginning with no further interruption.